Hi dear dance lovers, welcome again to my dance assistant world. And as you see today I have a beautiful Diana nearby me. That means that today's video will be dedicated for installation of ladies models. We have two models for ladies, one called MDA King for ladies who are taller than 155 centimeters, and we have model called MDA Prince for girls or ladies who are shorter than 155. So I will take that one and we'll see how to do it in the next video with my another very beautiful assistant. And now we'll take this model called King. So we open the bag as it is, and you see inside we have a stick, the major part of our gadget, and we have a belt. Also, we have a piece of paper instruction with a QR code, which could be then scanned by your device and move you directly to our website to see that video one more time and many more other tips how to use, to install, how to practice with my dance assistant. So we move that aside at the moment, and Diana now take the gadget. So it is foldable, stick is foldable. It's very convenient for transportation when you go into studio, out from studio, we're flying by the plane or going somewhere for competitions. So it's very easy to install. So don't forget, this nut needs to be fixed. It will be important for the future, but now just fix it as it is. So as you see, the stick has left side and right side. On the left side should be that part when the logo is. It's more heavier and the wider tube, and the right side is lighter. So that will be important. So we put it now down, and then we take the belt. The belt will connect the stick to our body, for which reason I will tell you later. So first you should take the belt face to you. If I will that way, you could read. Now first what we will do, we will make it longer because it's short now for be transported, and now we will make it a bit longer, and later you should install it exactly the length of the belt as you need because of your physical parameters. So now we have left and right. Next, what is important, to place inside part up, and here front up. So this, my dance assistant, this part is here. So it's like 90 degrees change that way. This is how we will install. And now I do it on left and Diana do it on the right. We put this from the left side around the handle and place it between these two rubber rings. It's here and here. This is exactly the position for the belt. So install these rings to have it tight. And then we're using this hook, which is moving, hook buckle, to fix and to tighten it connectly to the stick. So now actually the gadget is ready to be used. What is also important here, you could see on our left side, this is a spring button. It helps you to install the length of the stick according to your physical parameters. So you push in this spring and you could pull, and as you see, the stick getting longer. Or we just push it back. Diana, help me here. Just push it back. One more. Yes. And we move it to the first position. There is numbers here. If for any reasons you don't have your personal device, we advise you to have your personal one. But if you share it with other dancers, you have the numbers here. So every dancer should remember his position next time when it will be used by that particular dancer. So I move it back now here, fixing again, and it's ready now. Yes. So you have handles on the left and handle on the right side. They are moving, as you see, they're turning to each other, so that's important now when we start to use it now. So Diana will put his left arm and the head inside. So that's important, that the belt is going on the right lady's shoulder and under her left arm. It will create a natural inclination of that stick, as it is in a normal, real position with your partner. So the left hand is placed from top and faced down here, as it on the arm of a man, and that one is turned that way and faced forward. Again, exactly the same as the hold is here. When you use it, important to pull the gadget a little bit away from you to keep the belts in this pulling position. It will create you real physical feelings of interaction with your partner. So if you will see from here, the belt will move your back a little bit more forward, keep you to have that position correctly. And as I told you, it's connect you to this partner to creating the energetical circle closed. It is really imitating the real feelings as you're dancing with a real partner. Elbows should stay on the same level and in front of you. So if, for example, you again look from the side and just move arms back, that will be not correct position. So it should not be in one line. The elbows should be in front of the shoulders. Then, next important, after you pull it off, send it a little bit from left to right. From left to right. That's why you see that Diana's head is going to left. This is the reason why head is on the left, because gadget is moving to the right. And in that position then, you're practicing or competing, because very soon we will start a competitions for solo MDA, My Dance Assistant, ballroom, which will make this beautiful and important part of our business, where many girls are now, unfortunately or periodically without partner, may have opportunity to compete, to demonstrate their skills with that gadget, instead of just staying with the arms up like it looks now. I'm sure you agree it's not pretty nice, let's say. So this is what we would like to say you. The name of this gadget, it's written here, is King. That's why it has male name. King is a partner for Diana. The partner for me, for example, have name of Queen. So I'm dancing with the Queen, Diana dancing with the King. And the last important, if you not share it and you have your personal one, you could identify it. You could take these alphabet stickers and just take your name and place it, for example, here. And then it will be yours forever and everybody knows it is yours. The back, you just could put the pen or flamaster and just put your name here or your surname, and then it will be recognizable, not to be lost. So that was our video today about installation of ladies model for women from 155 centimeters and taller with the name My Dance Assistant King. Thank you very much.